Want to know where to get clean water? Let me show you. This is my APEC water RO system. Now, that's the storage tank, okay? This is the unit itself. There's 3 stages of purification. Now, the top membrane is the RO system. It actually, with water pressure, forces it through that membrane. You get 99% pure water. Highly recommend this. It has a polishing filter. Very easy to hook up. All you need is the little drain plug. There's only 3 little taps that go into the whole system. Like in most newer houses like ours, you can buy a small little adapter that goes onto your main water supply. Okay, in the back. Makes it very simple to hook up. Very neat and clean, as you can see. And it comes with the nozzle. So with this unit, you always have water on demand. I fill up my 3-gallon water bottle or my 1-gallon water bottle, take it out to the crock. I always have perfectly fresh water, clean, purified water whenever I need it. Highly recommend this unit.